Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. From pumpkin everything season right into gingerbread everything season. But not just gingerbread. Today I have for you a luscious, creamy eggnog custard tart. 2 simple recipes and a stovetop custard. And my famous gingerbread cookie recipe for the tart crust. Rolled out and perfectly fluted into the tart pan with a removable bottom. But we do have to blind bake this dough, and that simply means that we're baking the crust with no filling inside. And to do that, I line it with a parchment paper circle. And since I'm too cheap to buy pie weights, I use rice and sometimes beans, but you can use them over and over again, so there's no waste. The excess dough gets made into whatever shapes you want for some gingerbread cookie decor for the finished tart, or just for snacking, which I did way too much of while I was filming this video. While the crust is cooling, I will make the custard in a medium-sized sauce pot, melt the vegan butter, and add in the vanilla bean pod. Add the plant milk of your choice and be sure to spill it all over your gingerbread cookies that you've placed on the stove. Now, if you don't have a vanilla bean pod, you can use vanilla extract, but that's going to go in last. Now, I've combined the sugar with the cornstarch and a bit of agar, and by whisking those powdery ingredients together with the sugar, you will guarantee no lumps in your custard. And then just bring it all up to a boil. Be sure to keep stirring it constantly so you don't burn the bottom. And then once it does boil, let it bubble for about 10 seconds, remove it from the heat, remember to take out that vanilla bean pod, and then you'll add the liqueur. Now, eggnog is known for the addition of rum or brandy or bourbon. Which one do you use for eggnog? Comment below. I tend to always use rum, and of course if you're alcohol free, you can omit the alcohol altogether and still have a beautiful, silky, smooth vanilla bean custard. With a generous sprinkling of nutmeg and then all the fun adornments to turn this easy tart into an elegant dessert that is going to wow all your guests, I promise. So, if you are looking for a stunning vegan dessert to impress this holiday season, be sure to make this recipe. I've got so many easy, no-fail dessert recipes for you on my website at gretchensveganbakery.com. There is literally something for everyone, ranging from beginner to advanced pastry chef, all with step-by-step video tutorials for you. And I'm available every day to answer your questions and help you in every way that I can with all things vegan baking. So be sure to join me on Face Tracker and Instagool, and I am sad to announce that I'm also on TikTok now too. Oh, help me please. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching and liking and subscribing here to my channel, and a great big thanks as always to all my patrons in Patreon and my pals in PayPal for making all of this possible. These folks are so generous with their support each month to keep me buying ingredients so that I can keep testing and creating and sharing all these recipes for free with everyone. So let's give them a great big thank you for the continued support. If you think you can help for as little as a cup of coffee a month, click the links below to find out how. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.